Good afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, we went through the theorem, the equation of line, which is passing through 2 points and its Cartesian form. And also, we have completed the problems based on that theorem, right? Today, let me discuss another concept in the same exercise called angle between two lines in the space. Now, R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar is the first line in the space, right? R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda into B1 bar is the first line in the space. And I am going to consider another line because if you want to find out the angle between two lines, you require two lines now. So I consider the two lines in the space are R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar and R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar are the two lines which are vector forms, right? Now, the angle between them is given by the angle between above lines is cos theta is equals to, right, B1 bar dot B2 bar upon modulus of B1 bar into B2 bar. Understood? That means this is the acute angle now, so it will have modulus on the numerator also. I am going to repeat. If R1 bar, even you can write if you want, right? The heading as angle between two lines in the space. Angle between two lines, the first point, the first concept. Okay. If R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar is one line, and R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar is the second line, which represents the vector form of two lines, then the angle between these two lines is given by cos theta is equals to magnitude of B1 dot B2 upon mod B1 into mod B2, right? And the second point, that means, suppose this is the vector form given to you. Huh? What is the second point? If Cartesian lines have been, that means Cartesian form of lines have been given to you, what to do? Means x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1 is one line, and x minus x2 by a2 is equals to y minus y2 by b2 is equals to z minus z2 by c2 is the second line. Then the angle between these two lines is given by cos theta is equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, right? Under mod, I am going to give you, that means I am going to repeat this point once again. These two are the Cartesian forms of one line, which are also called as Cartesian equations of one line, right? If x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and this line represents two Cartesian equation of two lines, that means Cartesian equation of two lines, then the angle between them is given by cos theta is equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. I have written two roots in the denominator where you can write the root of AB can be written as root A into root B, right? So there is a thing. Now, if these two lines are perpendicular to each other, that means two lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, which implies A1, A2, A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 is equals to 0. Understood? If two lines are parallel, then angle between them, of course, obviously you can write that one as 0, but the condition it is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Now, copy these 3 points regarding 4 points regarding angle between two lines. Now, start copying this one. Write on the side heading angle between two lines in the space. Underline it. Angle between two lines in the space. Underline it. Write down the first point. Write down the first point. If R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, comma, R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu into B2 bar, represents vector form of two lines, then the angle between them is given by, you can write this one, cos theta is equals to magnitude of B1 dot B2 upon mod B1 into mod B2. Mod B1 into mod B2. Right? Next one, second point. If write down this one and this one represent two lines, then the angle between them. Write down the second point. I hope you are writing. I hope you are writing. X minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 is equals to y minus y2 by b2 is equals to z minus z2 by c2, or Cartesian equation of two lines, then the angle between them, is given by cos theta is equals to, magnitude of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Next, third one. If two lines are perpendicular, then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equals to 0. And if they are parallel, A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Right? Next. Now, let us go through the problems based on this one. I hope you understood that. And there is no theorem, that means proof is not necessary for this one in your PU. Okay. Now take down. Find the angle between the pair of lines. R bar is equals to 2i minus 5j plus k plus lambda into 3i minus 2j plus 6k bar. And R bar is equals to 7i minus 6k plus mu into I plus 2j plus 2k. Find the angle between two lines. I am going to repeat which is on the board. Observe once carefully. R bar is equals to 2i minus 5j plus k bar. K bar you should write down. Plus lambda into 3i minus 2j plus 6k bar. And R bar is equals to 7i minus 6k bar plus mu into I plus 2j plus 2k. Right? Now he asked you to find out the angle between these two vectors. Let us consider comparing with, see here, I am going to write comparing with, okay, solution I am going. Given lines are like this. By comparing with R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar, R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar, right? A1 bar is equals to 2i minus 5j plus k. Okay, B1 bar is equals to 3i bar minus 2j bar plus 6k bar. Similarly, B1 A2 bar is equals to 7i bar minus 6k bar. B2 bar is equals to I plus 2j bar plus 2k bar. Right? Now, find out B1 bar dot B2 bar, which is equal to A1, A2, 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 2 is equals to minus 4. 6 into 2 is equals to 12. I am going to repeat this. Observe this one clearly. That means you are going to get 11 here. I am going to repeat this. A1 I bar, B1 A1 I bar plus B1 J bar plus C1 K bar, A2 I bar plus B2 J bar plus C2 K bar. A1 A2, 3 into 1, 3 minus 2 into 2 minus 4, 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 minus 4, 11. Now, magnitude of B bar, find out magnitude of B bar, you are going to get B1 bar. Mod B1 bar is equals to root of 9 plus 4 plus 36, which is equals to 49 under root called 7. Now magnitude of B2 bar is equals to root of 1 plus 4 is equals to root 9. Root 9 value is equals to 3. I hope you understood, and okay, I am going to repeat this. Find magnitude of B1 bar and modulus of B2 bar. The value it is 7 and it is 3. Now therefore cos theta is equals to, what is the formula? B1 bar dot B2 bar under mod by root over A1 root over B1 bar, or sorry, magnitude of B1 bar into mod B2 bar. So you are going to get cos theta is equals to B1 dot B2 is equals to 11 by mod B1 7 into mod B2 is, that means theta is equals to cos inverse of 11 by 21. I am going to repeat, observe this one clearly. Observe this problem clearly. First of all, R bar is equals to, you should consider yes. Observe this one clearly. Given lines are these two, right? You compare those two lines with R1 R bar is equals to A1 plus lambda B1 bar, and second one it is R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. After that, find out B1 dot B2. After that, find out magnitude of B1 and magnitude of B2, and apply in the formula cos theta is equals to mod, that means B1 dot B2 upon mod B1 into mod B2. You are going to get the answer. Copy this one. I hope you have copied. I hope it's over. So I am going to write the next problem on the board. The students who can do that problem can start. Otherwise, Just listen. Afterwards, I am going to discuss. Find the angle between the two lines. Find the angle between two lines. R bar is equal to 3I bar plus J bar minus 2K bar plus lambda into I minus J minus 2K. R bar is equal to 2I minus J minus 56K plus mu into 3I minus 5J minus 4K. Right? Now, observe, by comparing A1 is equals to 3I plus J minus 2K, B1 is equals to I minus J minus 2K bar, A2 is equals to 2I bar minus J bar minus 56K bar, and B2 is equals to 3I minus 5J bar minus 4K bar. Right? Now, if you find out B1 bar dot B2 bar, we are going to get B1 bar 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 5 plus minus 2 into minus 4 is equals to 8. I am going to repeat this one. Just observe carefully. Here it is 3, 1 3 is 3, minus into minus plus 5, minus into minus plus 8, which is equals to 16, right? Next, mod B1 is equals to root over 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equals to root 6. Mod B2 is equals to root of 9 plus 25 plus 4. Sorry, 16. I am repeating this. 3 3s are 9, 5 square 25, 4 square 16, right? Now it is 2 root 25 should get. Okay. Now cos theta is equals to the value you should get, it is 16. That means 16 by root 6 into 2 root 25. Right? Now, or else you can write this one as root 50, right? 2 root 5. Observe, no. 5 root 2 you can write. Take it. 5 root 2. So you are going to get 16 upon 5 into root 12. Or if you want, even you can simplify that one as root 12 can be written as, right, 2 root 3. Nah? So it becomes totally, if you simplify, 8 by 5 root 3. Copy this one. I am going to repeat this problem once again. He has given you two lines. You just compare them with R bar is equals to A1 bar plus lambda B1 bar. R bar is equals to A2 bar plus mu B2 bar. And after that, find out B1 dot B2 and mod B1 and mod B2. Substitute in the formula cos theta is equals to B1 dot B2 upon mod B1 into mod B2. You are going to get the answer. Over. I hope you have copied. Next problem. Here in this problem, right? He has given you in vector form. Now, if Cartesian form has been given to you, how to do those problems, right? Find the angle between the pair of lines x minus 2 by 2 is equal to y minus 1 by 2, 1 by 5, sorry, y minus 1 by 5 is equal to z plus 3 by minus 3. X plus 2 by minus 1 is equal to y minus 4 by 8 is equals to z minus 5 by 4. So you should write given lines is equals and comparing with which one, x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, right? And here also x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. You compare these two lines with the given lines. You are going to get a1 is equals to 2, b1 is equals to 5, c1 is equal to minus 3, right? And a2 is equal to minus 1, b2 value is equals to 8, right? And c2 is equals to 4. Therefore, cos theta is equals to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 under mod upon root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. If you apply all the values in this formula, you are going to get the answer. So what will be this value? 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2 plus 5 8s are 40, okay, minus 12 upon root of a1 square 4 plus 25 plus 9 into, right, 1 plus 64 plus 16, right? If you simplify this, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. This is under mod. I am going to repeat this entire problem once again. Observe this one. Here he has given you two lines, right? Two lines. You should consider those two lines, or you should compare those two lines with x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, right? And x minus x2 by a2, y minus y2 by b2, and z minus z2 by c2. After that, you substitute all the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 in the formula called cos theta is equals to a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 upon root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. After that, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. You should get cos theta is equals to now observe cos theta is equals to 26 by 9 into root 38. Theta is equals to cos inverse of 26 by 40 minus 14. So 9 into root 38 you should get. Even if you want, if it cancels, you can. Otherwise, you can keep as it is. For formula, you have 1 mark. So formula is compulsory. Find the angle between. Copy this one slowly afterwards. Yes. So if you compare this with that one, a1 is equals to 0, b1 is equals to 0, c1 is equals to 0, right? Sorry, a1 is equals to 2, b1 2, c1 1, a2 is equals to 4, b2 is equals to 1, c2 is equal to 8. I am repeating this. A1 is equals to 2, B1 is equals to 2, C1 is equals to 1. A2 is equals to 4, B2 is equal to 1, C2 is equals to 8. Cos theta formula, you just apply here, you are going to get the answer. Copy this one. You are going to get 8 plus 3, 8 plus 2 plus 8 under mod upon root of 4 plus 4 plus 1 into 16 plus 1 plus 64. After simplification, whatever the answer you got, that will be the final. You should get cos inverse of 2 by 3. 18 by, you are going to get 18 by root 9 value is equals to 3 into this value becomes 81, 9 ones and 2s. So you are going to get cos inverse of 2 by 3. I am going to discuss this problem once again. You should compare the given lines with, I have not written here, I have not written anything here because already you wrote in the previous problem, right? So comparing this with x minus x1 by a1 is equals to y minus y1 by b1 is equals to z minus z1 by c1, and x minus x2 by a2 is equal to y minus y2 by b2 is equal to z minus z2 by c2. You are going to get all values. After getting of all value, substitute in the formula, you are going to get the answer. I hope you understood. Copy this one slowly. Tomorrow I am going to discuss the problems on the condition perpendicular and also parallel. That means related to angle only. Okay, in the same exercise. Thank you.